Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make number 4. That's how finished number 4 looks. This number is very good for embroidery to your project. And the size of this finished number is approximately 2 inches or 4 centimeters. For this number you will need double knit yarn, 3 mm crochet hook and scissors. That's all what you will need. So we're going to start our number 4 with chain of 19 stitches. Let's do our chain of 19 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. We have our chain of 19 stitches. We're going to start from the second stitch and we're going to start with single crochet in next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In next stitch we're going to do 2 single crochets, then chain 2 and again 2 single crochets, all in the same stitch. So let's do 2 single crochets, 1, 2, chain of 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochets again in the same stitch, 1 and 2. That's how our number looks now. Next step will be single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. And in next stitch we're going to repeat again the same sequence, 2 single crochets, chain of 2 stitches and again 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So let's do it in next stitch, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, chain of 2 and 2 single crochets again in the same stitch, 1 and 2. That's how our 4 looks now. And till the end of our row, now we need to do 1 single crochet in each stitch, which will be 6 single crochets. Let's do 1 single crochet in each stitch. That's how our number looks now. Looks a bit messy, but when you put it into shape like that, it looks like actual number 4. We're going to leave long tail for sewing. Going to pull yarn through our stitch, and our number 4 is complete. Everything what's left for you is to embroider it to your project. Thank you for watching this short and sweet video tutorial on how to make number 4. On the description below you can find more videos for more numbers. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in my next videos.